Hi guys, in honor of spooky season, I decided to create these monster chocolate chip bars. So I started out by pouring our Foodstirs Organic Chocolate Chippy Cookie mix in a bowl with 1 egg and 6 tablespoons of butter, 3 simple ingredients for the perfect recipe. I mixed that up with my KitchenAid, so comment below what you think I should name her. I then placed these Lily's peanut butter cups to make the shape of the monsters. I then melted Lily's white chocolate chips in a bowl and added in the green food coloring to create that perfect monster color. I gave that a good stir, so satisfying to see it all blend out, and evenly spread it onto the peanut butter cups, making sure that I keep that circle shape so that they look like cute little monsters. I then made the eyes using white chocolate chips and black food coloring in the center, and it came out so perfect. They're so cute. They remind me of little Mike Wazowski's. I hope you guys enjoy.